What's up, guys? Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what the S5 sounds like. When I bought the car, it came with the BORLA exhaust. It was super quiet. I personally wanted the car a lot louder. Whenever I bought the car, they're like, oh, it has a BORLA exhaust. So I was like, oh, you're ready to hear like really good tones. It almost sounds like stock, honestly. It doesn't do much for me. So what the BORLA exhaust comes with, it's from the cat all the way back. So it does still have the, well, I guess headers is what they'll call them on this car. So from headers all the way back, so the cats on the headers are still there. The resonator is a lot smaller than the stock one, and then the exhaust, of course, you know, but whatever, it's still not enough for me. So I went ahead and removed the resonator on the BORLA. Let's go ahead and go into the pile of extra stuff I have here. So let me move this out the way just so it's a lot easier. So this is how big the resonator is. It's pretty big. BORLA S-type. And I'll put the link down below for the exhaust that's on the car right now. So it's not stock. But yeah, that's how big the resonator was. I went ahead and removed it. But yeah, as you can tell, BORLA. Let's see if I can go ahead and get down here and show you guys. So, as you can tell, there's pipes all the way running. So it's a full exhaust. But let me go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like on cold start. But yeah, that's what it sounds like on cold start. It's pretty loud. Then it dies down after it warms up a bit. But let me go ahead and warm it up a little bit, and I'll give you a light rev. And then also, I'll try to get a rev for the engine bay, because I do have an intake on it. So I'll show you guys that too, so you can hear some whine sounds. But yeah, that's what the car sounds like with the BORLA exhaust with no resonator on it. So I think it sounds pretty good. I'll do another video where I'm doing driving and all that, so I'll be able to put the GoPro outside. Just right now it's kind of ugly outside, but let me go ahead and do that next video so you guys can see what it's like. Like, I'll give my opinion on driving it, you guys can hear what it sounds like and all that. But oh look, update, if you can see it, maybe I painted the calipers. This one's a lot better. But yeah, painted the calipers gloss red, like how I like them, and I think it really pops with the wheels and the rotors, so it looks really good. I got the Audi Sport logos on them. I think that looks better than what was on there before. Some of them, I think they have the S5, but personally I like that. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and give you some light revs once it warms up a bit. So I haven't done like an engine bay review or whatever, but I do have the AWE tuning intake on it. I do have a different filter, and then like a filter for that breathing hose or whatever. But yeah, so that's currently all I have done to it. It's just an intake. I know it doesn't have the shield. It's coming, but yeah, that's currently what I have. Other than that, so intake, exhaust, and other than that, it's completely stock. And I got a coolant flush. So next thing is just getting some minor things done to it. It has a slight leak on the valve covers, so I'm getting all that redone. And then just maintenance items, brake fluids, brakes, making sure everything's good, water pump, all the things that could go out. I want to go ahead and get them done just so for peace of mind. But other than that, the car has been running perfectly fine, no faults or anything. I think I already put 1,000 miles on it, which is kind of quick for me because well, actually it's kind of slow. I usually put more miles on my cars, but I have the S3 right there, and that's the daily. But other than that, the car's been running perfectly fine. But I think it looks so clean. I love this car so much. But let me go ahead and give you some little revs, see if you can hear the whine on it. Hopefully you can hear it. Let's go ahead and do it. actually, guys, I'm holding back on it because I don't want, the car's kind of loud. So doing it in my neighborhood is probably not the best. But yeah, maybe you're able to hear that, maybe some intake noise. Once I actually drive the vehicle, I'll be able to show you guys what it sounds like with the spool. I mean, not the spool, I'm so used to turbo cars. With supercharger whine and everything. But hopefully start doing some engine mods after a whole lot of maintenance. But I wanted to show you guys, I had done some things to the engine. So intake, exhaust, not a whole lot, but it's getting there. Sooner or later we'll do a tune, pulleys, throttle body, heat exchangers or whatever. So getting into this platform is brand new to me. Well, engine wise, exterior wise I pretty got it covered, but engine wise and stuff like that, it's brand new to me. Having a supercharged V6 is brand new to me. If you guys want to go ahead and give me some advice of what things I should take care of before I go ahead and do any of this, please comment down below. It'll help me out a whole lot because I have like friends who have these vehicles, but anything you guys can add onto it, it'll be much helpful. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the car and how it sounds. Until next time, peace. Like and subscribe guys, it helps out a lot. Alright, peace out. See you guys next time.